Guys, welcome back. So today we'll be making ginger shots, and we'll need to use oranges. Now, aside from the benefits of oranges, also adds in sweetness to this. You need lemon and you need ginger and turmeric. There's no measurement to this thing. You just eyeball it basically. So anyways, you also need black pepper, and these are the list of the things you need on the screen. So I wanted to use the ginger, or rather I used the peel of the lemon for oil, for my skincare oil. So hence why I'm doing it this way. But if you don't need the skin, then you don't have to do this way. All you just have to do is cut it into 2 or 4 cubes and juice it out, and you're good to go. Please guys, when you watch this video, like it, please like this video. Comment what you want to see next. Comment, let me know if you tried this and it actually worked for you. I actually did this for my husband, not for myself, because I'm a TTC lady and I obviously can't do anything that has to do with flat tummy. And this is because sometimes we don't know if we are pregnant, and when we take these things in high dosage, then it can terminate an early pregnancy. So I don't eat or drink anything that has to do with flat tummy. At the same time, I don't wear all these waist trainers and whatnot. So anyways, back to the video. These oranges were super good. It was juicy and at the same time it was sweet. So when he tasted it, because I didn't even taste it, not even a sip, he did confirm that it was good. But I drank the orange and it was good as well. So because I have a juicer, all I did was just put it in my juicer, and I was talking, I forgot I didn't even put that container that the shafts will go into. So if you do not own a juicer, all you just have to do is use your blender. Now if you're using your blender, after putting in everything you want to extract, make sure to add in your black pepper immediately and add in water. You just want to use about 1 cup to 2, depending on the size of things you're using. And this is because it's that water that you will need to use and blend it. After that, then you want to sieve it out, and after sieving, you can then begin to drink it. That is it. It's super easy. So there's no excuse that because I don't have juicer, so I can't make it. My darling, you can make it. Okay. Also, I want to say a very big thank you to you if you watched to this part. Thank you very much. God bless you. If you're already subscribed, thank you. I really do appreciate the love. Please, if you have not, please subscribe and help my channel to grow. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and be fabulous. Bye.